Hello, I'm Jasmine. Speaking of the sea, how do you think or feel? Some people may think it's vast and peaceful. Indeed, mostly it looks peaceful. But do you know that there are dead zones? Today I'm going to introduce you the world's top 5 mysterious areas of the sea. Hope you will know more about them. First one is Bermuda Triangle. Maybe you have heard of it before because it's famous for disappearance events. Bermuda Triangle is an undefined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. Since 20th century, many ships and aircraft disappear here without any reason, which caused more than 2,000 people disappear and die. Until now, scientists haven't found the answer why these events happen. Second one is Formosa Triangle. You have to know it because among these 5 areas, it's near Taiwan the most. Formosa Triangle is an unspecific part of Japan's east coast. It's also known for disappearance events of ships and aircraft, so it's also called the Pacific Bermuda Triangle. The third one is Rubbish Island. Rubbish Island is located at the sea area between California and Hawaii. This island is piled up by garbage, and this garbage will be eaten by sea animals, which generate toxin, and finally goes into human food chain. How does this island form? It's because the garbage on the sea freezes with the ocean current and finally pile up there. Now this island is 2 times as big as Texas. The fourth one is the beach at the eastern part of Mediterranean Sea. Every day there is 30,000 tons of seawater sucked into it. You may wonder where this seawater goes. However, it's still a riddle to this day. Although scientists did many experiments, they still couldn't find the answer. The fifth one is Mediterranean Triangle. It's amazing that there is a dead zone on this tranquil sea. Mediterranean Triangle is located at the sea area between southern Italy and Sicily and Corsica. So far, there are tens of ships and aircraft disappeared here without any reason. And as Bermuda Triangle and Formosa Triangle, there is no answer why these events happen. Now, do you change your feeling for the sea? No matter what's your answer, I just want to tell you that the mystery of the sea is worthy to be taken care of.